How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an easy veiny forearm workout for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise we are going to do is going to be the twist, forearm twist. This is really good. It's 40, keep going. "100 repetitions, quick little break." Okay, next thing we're gonna do is squeezes. So get your hand squeezed really, really tight and hold. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do curls, forearm curls. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do forearm twists. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.